friends, welcome to our channel, and today I'm gonna draw a lion. I mean a cartoon lion. But at the beginning I wanna say that if you are a new viewer of my channel, then don't forget to subscribe cause we upload new videos every day. And here you can see that you have to draw an oval to draw a cartoon lion. This is gonna be a funny lion. That's it. I'm drawing his big paw. This is so easy. Anybody can draw it. You can teach your kids in this easiest way. Now I'm drawing a big tail. Okay, let's outline before and then we will finish his face. Is done and this is his final look. Now let's start coloring. I'm using orange for all the hairy part of the lion. I'm using yellow for his face and all over his body. bit of pink inside his ears. And this is how you can draw a funny curtain lion for your kids within few minutes. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.